Yes, welcome to Bikes of Rye. Today I am taking the beautiful BMW S1000R of mine to have it effectively unlocked. It's going in for its running service. Covered the recommended 600 miles, so I've booked it into my local BMW dealership. It is a Saturday morning. Sun is shining. What a beautiful day it is indeed. Bike is still warming up. We can see that the obviously the recommended rev range is as high as 6,000 RPM. Please do not exceed it. When we've got a marker there to indicate that the service is due, so a warning symbol of some kind. We're just going to take it nice and easy. Nod at this fellow biker. Here in the UK it is the Easter holiday. We have a bank holiday on Friday and a bank holiday on Monday, so we have a 4-day weekend, and we're ever so blessed because the weather has been excellent. And in the UK these kind of things don't come about very often, to have a 4-day weekend and the weather be great. And so it's perfect timing to have this bike unlocked, because I'm out on it tomorrow and I'm out on it as well on Monday. Look at this cruise control. What a fantastic idea to place it onto a motorbike. It just makes riding on these particular roads, you know, you just are able to tolerate them a little bit more. This is what I hate in the UK. Look at this lane, right, completely empty, and look at all the cars just sitting in the middle lane. So I'm sitting doing 70 and I have to come all the way over to the right to come past these guys, and they've been like that for a good mile. Ridiculous. So annoying. Welcome to Welwyn Garden City. This bike is just so pleasant to ride around a town. My dad actually rode this, okay, and he he commented and said he could, I mean, like, put it this way, you would expect this bike, being a super naked, to be extremely sporty, wanting to run away with you and what have you. My dad was like, he couldn't believe how docile it was and easy it was, I guess, to ride slowly. You wouldn't think that this bike, riding it how I am now in 6th gear, you wouldn't expect this bike to be producing like 165 horsepower and like 85 foot-pounds of torque. And we'll be really interested to see how this bike performs once the hard limiter is removed, because actually this bike produces a lot of its power, or most of its power, high in the rev range. It's an inline 4. But saying that, it's got plenty of torque before that. But I think once that 9,000 RPM limiter is removed, and I've got another, say, what is it, roughly 3,000 RPM remaining, I bet this bike is absolutely gonna go like a rocket. Here we are, LIND Motorrad. Oh, it's busy already. How you doing? It is, yeah. How did you guess? Oh really? Yeah, I'm looking forward to having it done, isn't it? I know, yeah, because it's hard, isn't it? You bang into it. You do, it's quite easy to do it. Is this your one, yeah? You going away on it, are you? Yeah. Oh really? I see you got the touring screen on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks quite nice actually, to be fair to it.
Mine came with a little screen, you know, the little...
Oh right.
Sort of triangle thing.
Yeah.
It's not enough.
No good, is it? Oh, it's got the carbon wheels too. Oh, you've gone all out. You got the carbon front mudguard too.
Yeah, that didn't come with it. I bought that.
Okay. You find these too quiet? Yeah. I mean, with that on it doesn't really.
Even that's quiet.
Yeah.
Really road quiet.
Sure.
Yeah, it's probably. What have you?
Well, I've got the standard one because they don't sound any different.
No, it just looks. I mean, it's a lovely can. That.
Yeah, titanium, but it's 750 quid, isn't it?
Yeah. I know.
Does it come standard on the M Sport though? I think
it
does. Yeah. So I've got a Black Widow header going on this headers.
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna have the decat it, keep the standard slip on,
Right.
or maybe get something like that,
Yeah, yeah.
and have it tuned and what have you, just to give it a bit more character.
Yeah.
I mean, it's nice if you're going on a long trip, it's nice and quiet, isn't it? It doesn't annoy you, but at the same time, sometimes when you open it up, it's not.
I mean, I don't like it really loud, but
Sure.
I just like a bit of. You want to hear something.
I know, yeah.
Drop it.
Morning. Got a service booked in as well, just like the fella there. Same bike. 9 AM.
1 hour later.
Bike is all serviced. Oh, the sun is shining. What a day, what a day. I'm happy to report all things are good with the bike. No worries. Of course, they go around the bike, check everything's in tolerance, you know, like they check the bolts, what have you, have a thorough check of all of the components, check the chain, and of course they've changed the oil and the filter. And now I'm happy because you got the proper oil, and you know, when you run these bikes in, you get quite a lot of build up of you know, tiny metal fragments where the engine's running in, and so that's why they changed the filter too. So yeah, so you know now that it's been done, the bike is good to go. Good for, I believe it's 6,000 miles, or you have it obviously serviced once the bike is a year old. And you know, I was chatting to some guys in there, 2 guys, really nice fellas. They were telling me all of their stories about their trips over Europe and the US, and we've exchanged numbers actually, because I might hook up with them and go for a you know, join them on their travels. They're going away this June, but unfortunately I'm out of the country for 3 of the weeks of June, so yeah, not feasible. But they were saying they go to the Nürburgring, the Pyrenees, all this, and you know, these are things that I'd love to do, and of course I'd love to vlog it as well. So yeah, that guy had an S1000R2, his was in for the running service. He had the M Sport model, carbon wheels and all of that on it as well. But yeah, I think I'm going to leave the vlog here, because what I want to do is upload another one in the near future of my thoughts of the bike fully unlocked. So if you want to see that, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video as well if you enjoyed it, and I'll hope to see you on another one very soon. Thanks for watching, see you later.